Do you want to create video like this? Then watch full video. Hi, my name is Rajiv. Today I teach you how to create image to animation in 2 minutes. Let's start. First open Google browser and search Kaiber AI and click first one. First sign up for new user. Choose sign in with Google. Click on your email account. Accept authorize app. Now you create video. Click create your first video. Now upload your image or click to upload button. I'm already create my images in Midjourney. If you learn how to create image in Midjourney, please watch our Midjourney tutorial in our channel playlist page. Kaiber AI give you 30 credits for free to use. This animation take 8 credits cost. After upload image, click to continue to prompt button. Now select a subject and I will choose a futuristic cyberpunk city. You can choose other options also. Or you can add other elements in prompt text box as per your requirement. Then select a style and I will choose cinematic style. Then click on continue setting button. Here you can choose video duration. I'm choose 8 seconds. Actually I'm using free version for generate animation, so there is limitation. If we use pro version then you can create 4 minutes videos. So click on generate button and wait 2 minutes. After 2 minutes you see our animation video is ready. Here you can download your video. Let's create more options. Please watch video. I'm choose different styles like 3D and other styles. If you like our video, please subscribe our channels. If you like our video, please subscribe our channels. Thanks for watching.